Okay, so this is the worksheet we worked on last week. It was the where we had to distribute. Remember, distributing, we're going to distribute the number that's outside the parentheses. We're going to multiply by everything inside the parentheses. You guys did an awesome job of distributing. So we're going to put 2 and 2 together here. So now we're going to distribute with solving a two-step or more equation. We'll start with this first one here. We have this right here of 2 parentheses 3x plus 6 equals 36. Again, our first step, we see that 2's outside the parentheses right here. So we're going to go ahead and distribute that 2 to the 3x as well as the 6. Like I said, we're going to multiply. So in this one, we're going to take 2 times 3x to get us 6x. And then we're also going to multiply 2 times 6 to get us 12.
So it would be 6x plus 12.
Yep, and it's a positive 12, so we'll have plus 12. And I'm going to carry down my equals 36 because we hadn't done anything with that yet. From this point, again, our goal is to get that x by itself. I'm going to draw my line down my equal sign because we need to solve for x.
I can tell you the next step.
Omar, what's our next step?
Now you're going to need to do some flipping here. So you see this is plus 12. You're going to take that. You're going to do minus 12 on both sides.
Awesome. So pause there.
So
Omar said we need to get rid of this 12. He noticed it was a plus 12. So I need to subtract 12 from both sides to get rid of that 12. I haven't done anything with my 6x, so I'm going to bring that straight down. So I have 6x equals, and we're going to type in 36 minus 12. Go ahead and do that.
24.
Omar got 24. So we have 6x equals 24.
So here, this is multiplication. So you're going to divide by 6 on both sides. The 6 crosses out on the first one. And now you're just left with 24 divided by 6, which is going to give you, hold up, 6. That's going to give you 4.
Awesome. Yep. So 6 and x are next to each other. We know we got to get x by itself, so we're going to divide by 6 on both sides, like Omar said. Those cancel. X equals 4. So we have 24 divided by 6. X equals 4.
Okay, let's see if this is going to work.
All right, so let's jump ahead to the next one. Again, it's distribution. This time we have a -3 out front. I'm going to distribute that -3 to both my 4x and my -8. So first I'm going to take -3 times 4x. -3 times 4 is -12, and I have to bring my x with it.
Huh?
So I'm going to have -12x. 3 times 4?
Where did you get the 4 from?
That's in the problem.
What the heck?
Do we have different worksheets?
Yeah, I think this is different. I
Okay.
don't know. Oh yeah, this is different because I have -3 plus 2x
Okay.
equals 7.
So just follow along with me up here.
Alright.
Okay. Then, so we distributed there. Now we need to take -3 times -8. So it's -3 times -8.
Oh, sorry. I was looking at the wrong problem. So you got it. So, you said negative what?
-3 times -8.
That's going to be negative 24.
Negative times a negative.
Oh, wow. Plus 24.
Yep. Negative times negative is going to give us a positive. So we're going to have plus 24 equals 48. We didn't do anything with the 48, so we'll bring it straight down.
You should get 72, right?
We're going to subtract.
Oh, 72 minus.
So we have, just stay with me. We have -12x plus 24 equals 48. We want to get that x by itself. We have a positive 24, so I'm going to subtract 24 from both sides.
Oh.
That's going to cancel. My -12x is going to be brought down because we haven't done anything with that. And then we have 48 minus 24.
24.
Should be 24. We just cut that in half. Our last step, we're going to divide by negative 12 because that's still what's with x. To get my x by itself, negative 24 divided by, or 24 divided by negative 12. Type that in.
12 or negative 12.
24 divided by negative 12.
Negative 12, that's going to give you negative 2.
You should get a negative 2. So there you should get x equals negative 2.
Negative 12x divided by negative 12. I got 72 for some reason.
I think you added instead.
I think I added instead of subtracted.
Yeah. This next one, if you notice, I'm going to zoom it up real big. We don't have a number outside. We just have a sign.
So that'd be 3 pretty much.
So in this case, this is saying we're going to multiply everything by a negative 1.
So negative 1 times negative 3.
So we're going to take negative 1 times 3.
That's going to give you negative 3, sir.
Which will be negative 3.
Yep.
So we'll have negative 3, and then we'll have negative 1 times 2x, which will be
negative what?
negative 1 times 2x.
Negative 1 times
2.
2?
Mm-hmm.
That's going to give you negative 2.
Will be a negative 2x. So we're going to put minus 2x, and then we'll have equals 7 for that one. Again, we put our line down our equal sign. Our x term is in the middle here. That's all right. We got to get rid of this negative 3 first. So if it's a minus 3, we need to
Plus 3.
Add 3 to both sides.
Yeah, I did something wrong here.
Did you move the 7? Or
Yeah,
the 2?
because when I put it like that, I got plus 22.
Yeah, that's all right. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. We didn't do anything with that negative 2x yet, so I brought it straight down. And then we have 10 plus 3, or 7 plus 3. Gave the answer. Should be 10. So you have negative 2x equals 10.
So wouldn't you put negative 3x minus 1 or minus 2x?
Yeah, I wrote it right there. I have negative 3 minus 2x. And the last step here, when we get x by itself, we're going to divide by 2 on both sides, or divide by negative 2. So we have 10 divided by negative 2. So go ahead and type 10 divided by negative 2 in your calculator. 10 divided by negative 2.
Oh, negative 5.
Negative 5.
Yeah, got it.
Awesome.
Hold on, let me see. Yeah, let's go right there. Yeah, there we go. 7. 7 plus 3, that's going to get you 10. 10. Then you got to bring down your negative 2x. Negative 2x. So just got to divide it. Negative 2. Negative 2 again. That's what comes out. So you're going to get negative 5. Oh, yeah, finished. I got 9 for some reason at the first time.
Crazy.
Did I do something wrong?
If you got 9, yeah. That's all right.
You must have multiplied or something. I don't know.
Yeah. So these 2 are challenge problems because we have to distribute on both sides. Nothing that we haven't seen. We're just going to have to do a little more work. So it's doable. Let's distribute the first side. So in this case, we're taking the 5 times negative 2 and 4. So I'm going to write way
Negative
down
10x
here.
plus 20.
5 times negative 2 should get you a negative 10. And that's x.
Plus 20.
And then 5 times 4 should get you a positive 20.
Yep, that's correct. Then you bring down the...
So then on the second side, hold on. Second side, we're going to distribute this at the same time. So we're going to have negative 2 is going to be distributed both ways. So we're going to have negative 2 times 4.
It's going to be negative 8x.
Which will be a negative 8x.
Yep, plus 4.
And then negative 2 times 2 should get you a negative 4 since we're multiplying by a negative.
Oh.
So you'll have minus 4.
Okay.
So we've got our big long problem here. We need to get, or we'll draw our line down the equal sign. We need to get the x's all on the same side. So we can move it either way. I'm just going to move it from right to left. So I'm going to move this 8x here. I notice it's a negative 8x, so I'm going to add 8x. If I add 8x to one side, I'm going to add it to the other side where the x's are. So those x's on one side are going to cancel. On this side, I have negative 10 plus 8.
I did the other way.
That's okay. So we'll have negative 10 plus 8. In this case, I'm going to get a negative 2x. I haven't done anything with my 20, so I'm going to bring it straight down. Put my equal sign, and I haven't done anything with my negative 4, so I'm going to bring that down as well.
Shouldn't you like overall, so you end up with the x equals 12?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I did it the opposite way.
You still got the right answer.
Yep.
Yeah, you can move it either way. So Omar moved the 10 over. He still got the same answer, as you'll see in a second. So now our x's are all on this side. Let's get rid of this 20. It's a positive 20, so we're going to subtract 20. Subtract 20 on each side. I haven't done anything with my negative 2x, so I'm going to bring that down. And I have negative 4 minus 20 should get me a negative 24.
Mm-hmm.
My last step to get x by itself, divide by negative 2 on both sides. Negative 24 divided by negative 2 should get you a positive 12, and there's your answer.
Mm-hmm.
Positive
That's
12.
correct.
So again, we distributed on both sides. We moved our x's to one side, and then we solved like a normal two-step equation. So we're just
And the
adding
last one?
another step there.
Huh?
What?
Can do the last one?
Yeah. Omar's going to talk me through the last one. I'm just going to repeat them so everybody can hear in the video. So Omar, what's our first step?
First step is you gotta do negative 10 times 2.
So we're going to distribute the negative 10. And we did negative 10 times 2, which got
You're
you.
gonna get negative 20.
Okay, so a negative 20x.
Mm-hmm.
And then what's our second distribute?
Negative 10 times 6, which would be negative 60.
Is it our 6 positive or negative?
Oh, hold on.
So our 6 is, it's a minus 6, so it's going to be negative 10 times negative 6.
Negative 10 minus?
Negative 10 times negative 6.
6. Oh, that's 60.
Yep, it'll get us a positive 60, so it'll be plus 60.
Then you're done with this side.
Okay.
Then you have other side. You have 3 times negative 2.
Okay.
Which is gonna get you negative 6 x.
Yep.
Yeah, negative 6x plus. Okay, not the plus. You gotta do 3 times 6, which is 18.
Perfect.
So yeah, you overall you have negative 20x plus 60. On the other side, you have negative 6x plus 18.
Yep. So on the other side, Omar distributed the 3 to the negative 2 and got negative 6x, and then the 3 to the 6 to get positive 18. So, like you said, overall we have negative 20x plus 60 equals negative 6x plus 18. We draw a line down. Omar, do you want to move the 6 or the negative 20?
What?
Do you want to move the negative 20x or the negative 6x?
Oh yeah, no, negative 20x.
So Omar's going to move the negative 20x over. It's a negative 20, so we're going to add 20x to both sides.
It'll be plus 20 on both sides.
Okay. Did we do anything with our 60?
No.
So we bring it straight down. So we have 60 equals, and then negative 6 plus 20 got you what?
Okay, 1 second. Negative 6 plus 20, that is going to get you 14.
14x. And then we didn't do anything with our 18, so we're going to bring it straight down, plus 18.
Oh, shoot. Hold up. Wrong side. So So you should just be left with 60
Okay.
equals
14x
14x.
plus 18.
Yeah.
Okay. Then
Plus
what?
18. So you're gonna do so you get plus 18 right here.
Okay.
You're gonna do minus 18.
Omar says we're going to subtract 18 from both sides because x is on our right side. So those are going to cancel. We didn't do anything with our 14, so we're going to bring it straight down.
60 minus 18. 1 second. That is going to get you 42.
42.
So now you have 42 equals 14x.
Okay.
And now you have use x over here. So you're going to do opposite, which is the division.
Okay.
So it's going to be 42 divided by 14.
So we're going to divide by 14 to get x by itself. And 42 divided by 14, we have x equals
42 divided by 14. That is going to give you 3.
3. X equals 3. Nice. Good job.
Finished.
So those are the 5 examples. You can watch this video over, see those examples again. Your next step, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Canvas.
Submit it.
My Canvas looks a little different because I'm on the iPad. You're going to go to our class. You're going to go to Modules. Unit 2, our page looks like this. You're going to click on the Kahoot review. And you're going to use this Kahoot link. None of the questions are timed. Okay, you're going to work through all, I think there's 12 questions total. No time. Some say to just distribute. Some say to distribute and solve. So it's probably a good idea to have some scratch paper or whiteboard with you and work through these problems. Again, it's not timed, so take your time. We're focused on accuracy, and it says, please use the link below to access the Kahoot review. Once complete, upload a screenshot of your results to this page. So you'll go ahead and click on this. It'll take you to the Kahoot. I'll show you what that looks like. Say ready, set, Kahoot. You should come up to this page with the picture of the pirate from SpongeBob. Enter your nickname, and then you'll be able to play.